Hey there, I'm Chris. Today I will show you all how to create a Google account in just a few simple steps. Whether you're a tech whiz or a total newbie, this video will have you up and running in no time. So grab a snack, get comfy, and dive right in. Step 1. Open up your web browser and head over to Google. Type in Create Google Account in the search bar and hit enter. Easy peasy, right? Step 2. Click on the first link that pops up, which should be the official Google account creation page. This is where the magic happens, folks. Step 3. Fill out the account creation form with all your deets, your name, email address, password, and any other info Google asks for. Make sure to choose a strong password to keep your account secure. Step 4. Click on the Create Axie Create button and voila! You now have your very own Google account. Welcome to the club. See, creating a Google account is as easy as pie. Now you can access all the amazing Google services like Gmail, Google Drive, and so much more. So go ahead, give it a try, and let me know how it goes in the comments below. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on my latest tech tutorials. Until next time, stay awesome and keep on Googling.